Hey everybody, today's short is some more ideas to help us people down south get through this cold snap. Now another thing is probably everyone woke up to this symbol. Yes, low tire pressure. So make sure you have some sort of small air compressor in your car so you can fill your tires up. This way you don't run those poor guys down a discount tire ragged. Okay, how many of you woke up this morning to a dead car battery? Probably a lot of you. Another thing that happens down south is every time there's a cold snap, it kills everyone's battery. So make sure you have some sort of jumper cables or a jump box. This way you can get yourself somewhere to get yourself a new battery. Also, don't forget to top off your solar generators and any sort of power banks that you have around the house. This way you can charge your phones and even run your refrigerator if you need to. Okay, and last but not least, don't forget to keep yourself your own personal heater.